Hi, I'm Brian Huntley, owner of Peerless. We're here today to talk about the CW61 Peerless oven. It's a maximizer because it saves time, money, and most importantly, space. This particular model is a gas CW61. It's a twin door oven. It will hold 4 16-inch pizzas in the top and 4 16-inch pizzas in the bottom. Comes with a stainless steel front, doors inside and out, top trim, lower door, and a 650 thermostat. 1-inch thick pizza stones. It's also available in electric, 8.5 kW. It's also available as a CW62 in a double stack and a CE62 double stack. And that configuration will hold 16 16-inch pizzas. I don't think anywhere you'll find an oven that takes up less space, that has more capacity for less money than a Peerless CW61 or 62 oven. It also is, you can put 2 side by side and 100 inches. You can do 2 double stacks and 100 inches, do 32 16-inch pizzas. We also have a video testimonial on our website of a gentleman who has that configuration, and he absolutely loves his ovens. Please check him out. Call us if you have questions. Consider leasing. It's a viable option for your oven needs. Thank you very much.